This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello, my name is Marcus Miller. Welcome to day 16 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today, we are going to create your first simple ad message. In day 15, we talked about getting your promotion plan ready. We talked about choosing one main link, one main audience, one main message, one traffic source, and one daily action. Today, we are going to take that plan and turn it into a message people can actually see, because before someone clicks your link, they usually see a message first. That message could be a short ad, a social media post, a traffic exchange headline, a safe list email subject line, a banner headline, a YouTube description, or a simple call out on a promotional page. The format may change, but the purpose stays the same. Your ad message should get attention, create interest, and point people to the next step. It does not need to be complicated. It does not need hype. It does not need false promises. It just needs to be clear and focused. A good beginner ad message should answer 3 simple questions. Who is this for? What problem does it speak to? What should the person do next? Let's start with the first question. Who is this for? If your message is for brand new online marketers, say that. If it is for people who need help building a list, say that. If it is for people who are sending traffic but not getting follow-up, say that. The more specific your message is, the easier it is for the right person to notice it. For example, new to affiliate marketing, that speaks to a specific person. Or sending traffic but not building a list, that speaks to someone with a specific problem. Or need a simple follow-up system, that speaks to someone looking for a solution. Now let's move to the second question. What problem does it speak to? People pay attention when your message connects to something they already care about. Maybe they are tired of sending traffic and getting no results. Maybe they do not know what to say in follow-up emails. Maybe they do not understand how to capture leads. Maybe they are overwhelmed by too many tools. Your ad message should connect to one problem, not 10 problems. One, for example, stop letting traffic disappear without follow-up. That is a strong problem-based message. It speaks to the issue clearly. Another example, most visitors will not join the first time they see your page. That message teaches something and creates interest. Another example, if you are not building a list, you may be losing future prospects. That message explains why list building matters. Now the third question, what should the person do next? Your ad should guide people toward one action. Learn more, watch the training. Start here, build your list, get the step-by-step training. Do not give them 5 different actions. One ad should have one next step. Here is a simple ad formula you can use. Problem, benefit, action. First, mention the problem. Second, show the benefit. Third, give the next step. For example, sending traffic, but not building a list. Learn how to capture leads and follow up using a simple system. Watch the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass today. That is clear. It identifies the problem. It gives the benefit. It gives the next step. Here is another example. New to affiliate marketing? Start with the basics. Capture leads, follow up, and build your system one step at a time. Begin the 30-day launch sprint here. Here is another one. Do not send traffic into a dead end. Build a follow-up path that helps prospects understand your message over time. Watch today's training and get started. These messages are simple, but they work as a foundation. Now let's talk about what to avoid. Avoid guaranteed income claims. Do not say, make money guaranteed, earn hundreds today, no work required, instant results. Everyone profits. Those statements are not professional and they create the wrong expectations. Instead, focus on learning, tools, systems, traffic, list building, and follow-up. Those are real benefits. You can say, learn how to build a follow-up system, start organizing your traffic, build your list one step at a time. Create a simple marketing foundation. Those are better messages because they are honest. Avoid being too vague. Do not write, "This is amazing. You need this. Best thing ever. Click now." Those lines do not explain enough. They may create noise, but they do not create clarity. A better message says who it helps and why it matters. Avoid trying to explain everything in one ad. Your ad does not need to explain TripleTron, LeadsLeap, SendSteed, the whole masterclass, the compensation, the tools, and every feature. That is too much. The job of the ad is not to close everything. The job of the ad is to create enough interest for the right person to take the next step. That is it. Now, let's talk about matching your ad to your link. If your ad says learn how to build a list, the link should take people to something about list building. If your ad says watch the training, the link should go to the training. If your ad says start the 30-day launch sprint, the link should go to the appropriate entry point. Do not create a mismatch. A confused visitor leaves quickly. Message match matters. Your ad, capture page, and follow-up should all feel connected. Now let's connect this to your TripleTron and LeadsLeap setup. Your promotional system should have one clear path. Someone sees your ad, they click your link, they land on your capture page or training page, they enter their information, they receive follow-up, they continue learning. That is the flow. The ad message is the first doorway. So make it clear, make it honest, make it focused. Today's action step is simple. Write 3 simple ad messages. Each one should follow this structure: problem, benefit, action. For example, problem, sending traffic but not building a list. Benefit, learn how to capture leads and follow up with a simple system. Action, watch the TripleTron LeadsLeap masterclass today. After you write 3 versions, choose the strongest one, then connect it to your main link from day 15. Before you promote it, read it out loud. Ask yourself, is it clear? Is it honest? Does it speak to one audience? Does it give one next step? Does the link match the message? If yes, you are ready to start using it. That is day 16 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned how to create a simple ad message without hype, confusion, or false promises. Your ad does not need to say everything. It just needs to get the right person interested enough to take the next step. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about creating a simple traffic routine, because once you have an ad message, you need a consistent way to get it seen. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 17.